Hello everyone. Today I like to discuss about build local, go to global. As our beloved Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi asked to do for local made thing and go to the global. We have to dependent on ourselves, not to depend on other countries. That is Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliant India. Is a very good concept and what we are also talking about on this line previously. India, the world's fifth largest economy, and by virtue of the corona, we came to know that we are so much dependent on the other countries. And and by virtue of corona itself, that we can turn around this situation into the that we can do our own product, we can produce our own product, need not to depend on the others. China's prosperity has possibly only to capture the global market and to go for the market just in time. Supply chain management, that is, supply at a cheaper rate and supply at the time when it is required. So that concept is a very good concept. So why we can do not do that? According to the report of the Fitch rating, India rely on China 60% of their electronic goods. And as per the Drug Regulatory Authority says that more than 50% ingredients made and manufactured authorities, vitamins, hormones, and steroids come from China. So this is the serious thing. We are depending on the single country to get the raw materials, to get the ingredients to manufacture ourselves. I think we have to start from very, very beginning. And this is the time we should think about it. We should have the vision. And especially the pandemic exposes our reliance on the single country. The vision should be very clear. It is not just enough to produce. You have to self-dependent. You need not to depend on the other countries. We have to move strategically. And we have to use our resources very efficiently and economically. We got a huge market. And India is the second largest. I mean, after China, India is the second largest market in Asia. So even we market in within our country, we can develop ourselves. Then we can go for the global. Basically, we should have to maintain the standardization of the product. And that we can do. We got the enough resources, human resources, which is totally untapped. Most of them are untapped. And most of the intelligent guys and the brain goes outside of our country. We have to utilize that one. We got our resources within India that can be used for that things, but only that we have to go strategically. We have to invest. We have to think about it, how to utilize efficiently and economically. And at present, we have the very much good relation with the other countries in the global by virtue of our Prime Minister. He has a very good relations with the other countries' heads. So why don't take the advantage of that so that we can produce very good quality goods and can be supplied to other countries. Okay, fine, it will take time. But once you got it as a habit of it, I think we can achieve whatever the things we can do. What do you think about it? Should we go for the global? And at the same time, we can absorb many unemployed people. Our strength, that maximum 36% of the youth in India that can be utilized, I think we can do. We can achieve our target. And surely I assure everyone that we can get the success out of that. Thank you. Thanks a lot for the day.